Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, one of the motions is asking to amend the bond condition to change from a no contact order to no harmful or injurious contact order. I do have the complainant on the Zoom, Your Honor. She's here. She is in agreement with the change. They do have children together. They would like to have.
This case is still pending, correct?
Oh, yes, yes, Your Honor. It sure is.
Okay. The answer is going to be no. As long as the case is pending, no. Yeah, that motion is behind. What the next motion? Motion for open work permit. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Ramos Abrego, he works as a masonry helper for a company that builds brick structures, and they're currently building a school in Amarillo. So he was just requesting permission to work in the Amarillo area. They also work in other cities in that general area of Texas. I had talked with pretrial services. They said it would be better just to approach the court for an open work permit in this situation.
That's fine. That is granted.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Would you, I guess, be willing to hear from Ms. Ramos about the no contact order? Just at least for them to be able to talk about the children, maybe by phone or something?
No, it's denied. As long as the case is pending, it's denied. I want no contact with them.
Okay, all right.
Resolve the case and maybe we change our mind. No.
All right, thank you so much for taking up the motion. Okay, may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Be
Okay.
careful.
Thank you.
Benny Rivera, are you ready? It's Mr. Garcia, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, that's your case, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. This is cause number 630,587. The state versus Benny Rivera. Are you Benny Rivera?
Yes, sir.
Say Mr. Rivera, who's charged with criminal mischief. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under the
Yes.
discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Rivera, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you to give up
No,
your right?
no, no, sir. No, sir. I didn't. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then how do you plead to this offense?
Guilty.
Anyone forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. What's the plea bargain call for?
Your Honor, it's a $0 fine, court costs, 1 day Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this satisfy the judgment.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is, Judge.
Okay, then I'll get order to pay court costs, 1 day in jail. Give them credit for time served, judgment satisfied. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Mhm.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You have to pay court costs.
Judge, may Mrs. Rivera be excused?
Oh, yes, yes. Mr. Rivera, you are excused. Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, and I believe all the paperwork is done for Miss Reyes as well. And it should be, Patty, I sent it to you. Did you get it?
I don't know. Let me look. No, not. I got Canoe. We ready on that one?
I'm here, Judge. I
I'm
don't
ready,
know
sir.
if
Where's your client? Oh, there. I see his name. Mr. Canal, would you get on? Mr. Cano,
I don't see him.
I see his name and it's muted and I don't know.
I can try to call him, Judge, if,
Okay.
Angel, call Robert Canoe and tell
He's
him we
there.
need him.
He's there, Judge.
Okay,
I apologize, Your Honor. I had to go use a.
that's fine. All right, let's do that one. We're alive. All right, this is 611-502. State versus Robert Canoe. How do you, are you Mr. Canoe who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated? Second offense. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
And state, are y'all reducing this?
Yes, sir. We're waiving the prior conviction enhancement and proceeding as an unenhanced DWI.
Okay.
That's
You
correct, Judge.
understand what you're charged with now, sir? Mr. Canoe, do you understand how you're charged with it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Cox, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under a discovery rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have y'all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
We believe we have, sir.
Mr. Canoe, I have some papers here from your attorney and the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone make you give up that right or any other rights?
No, sir.
Then how do you plead to this charge, sir? Is it-
No contest.
You understand a no contest plea in misdemeanor court is not helpful at all. It has
Yeah, it's the same.
its legal effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. What is the recommendation from the state?
The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days of confinement with credit.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Mr. Edwin. 0 fine and court costs, then what?
180 days of confinement with credit for time served and time and money to run concurrent. And we intended to satisfy the judgment.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. I'll go along with that. I'm not going to fine you. I'm going to order you pay court costs, 180 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for time served, judgment satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you, Judge.
I have the Reyes stuff. If we're ready on that.
Is Mr. Canoe excused, Judge?
Oh, yes, ma'am. He is excused. Thank you, sir. Are we
I think
ready on?
Mr. Barrera just walked out.
Okay. We'll wait for him.
Your Honor, did you want me to call Mr. Barrera's office to let him know that, oh, here it comes?
Here it comes.
Ready to go, Judge.
Okay, do it. It's cause number 646831, the state versus Jessica Reyes. Are you Jessica Reyes?
Yes, sir.
Say Ms. Reyes is charged with offensive DWI with a reading of 0.15 or higher. That's you?
Yes.
Are y'all reducing this state
Yes, Your Honor.
to a DWI
A
first?
DWI first, yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand what you're charged with now, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me. Mr. Brewer, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Absolutely.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Reyes, I have some papers here of your attorney and the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes.
Have you signed them?
Yes.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what could happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have a right to trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes.
Anyone force you or make you do it? How do you plead to this charge, ma'am?
Guilty?
Nolo contendere.
No. No. Do you understand a nolo contendere plea in misdemeanor court has the same legal effect as a guilty plea? Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to find her plea is voluntarily made. What's the recommendation, Snake?
Your Honor, it is a $300 fine, fully probated, court costs, 6 months confinement, probated for 9 months, 24 hours community service, DWI education, tap eval and follow the recs, and ignition interlock for half the term.
For how long?
For half the term
Have to determine what, 9 months or 6?
of 9 months, Your Honor. So it'd be about 4.5 months.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Burr?
It is, Judge.
It was 6 months and what was the term?
It was 6 months confinement, probated for 9 months.
Okay, got it. All right, I'll go along with it. I'll give her 6 months of Bear County Jail, suspend that sentence, place her on probation for 9 months, DWI education course. She's to pay court costs. There's no fine. Tap evaluation and ignition interlock devices placed on all vehicles in her house for 4.5 months. Good luck to you, ma'am. You need to stay on and talk to the probation department so you understand what your obligations are, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day. Have a great weekend and good luck playing golf tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
If you're playing.
I'm playing.
Good. Good for you. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye. I'm leaving.
All right, take care, one.
Okay.
Judge, that concludes today's hearings.
Hooray. Hooray. Thank you very much. Enjoyed working with all y'all. And Patty, thank Judge Longoria for me. And enjoyed working with you, Ms. Morgan and Mr. Edelman. And see y'all later and call me anytime you need me. All right.
All right,
Thank
have a
you,
good weekend.
Judge.
Be
You
safe,
too.
sir.
Be careful.
Bye-bye. Marty,
Yes,
I made you the host so I can leave.
okay,
Thank you. You
All
can
right.
stay on, Ms. Reyes.
Okay.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Ms. Reyes, can I have your phone number?
It's 210-636-3065.
Okay, and can I have an email address?
It's Jess, Jess, Reyes, Reyes, 94599 @gmail.com.
Okay, let me see if I have this. JESSREYES 94599 @gmail.com.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and your physical address?
20710 Hebner Road,
Okay,
apartment 2205,
okay.
San Antonio, Texas 78258.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Reyes, so what's gonna happen is that probation will be calling you and they will be giving you information for intake orientation. They should call you between 24, 48 hours. I'm
Okay.
sorry?
Can I ask what that is? Sorry.
Intake orientation is where they're gonna go and explain the rules and the conditions of probation for you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so everything that they went over, I know it was pretty quick, but they're gonna go in more detail of the probation conditions,
Okay.
okay? And then also assign you your officer and what location you're gonna be reporting at. I know that they're already gonna start doing because we were doing the visits like this through Zoom, but I think they're starting to report in now. So yes, if they tell you to go ahead and report, then just report. If not, then they'll let you know if it's gonna be like this through Zoom. Okay, and the other thing is, it's gonna be from a phone number 210. Just make sure you answer that, okay? And then just call them back if you miss their call, okay? But they'll be calling you, and if they don't call you within 24, 48, I mean, I'm sure they are. But if they don't, then you can report to probation. It's across from the Bexar County Jail at 200 North Comal.
200 North
North Comal.
COMAL.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Do they call on weekends too? Since it is Friday?
No, they're not gonna call on weekends. So it's not gonna be probably till like next week.
Okay, so that's what I was wondering.
Okay.
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 Okay. And then and another question. Do I pay the 300 or do I not pay the 300?
The court costs or the fines, they're gonna go over all that with you. So you don't have to pay all of it up front. You're gonna be paying monthly fees, okay, monthly payments.
Okay.
And they'll explain it to you how much it is gonna be per month. But you won't have to pay that until like another 30 days.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Not a problem. So you can just go ahead and you're done with court, so you can just go ahead and leave. Okay?
Thank you.